Been raining so much. For days it's been raining. So I said, fuck it, let's go for a little bike ride, even though it's wet. I can't go too fast because I'll get a wet bomb. There's an aeroplane right above me. There's a bit of rugby on. My God, man, there's a few grey-haired old fellas. Look at this guy. Get on them. Getting amongst it. Going real well. There's a nice red hat. Technologia. Yeah, I've started the last few videos, the last 3 or 4. You'll notice there's been some severely depressing music jangling in the background. I've been strumming away on the guitar, recording a few little tunes, and I've been making them, you know, as depressing as possible. I don't know why, just been listening to a bit of sad core music or slow core. It's real lo-fi, and I really like the vibe of it. I think it's just because it's winter time. Just really enjoy the vibe of the slow core kind of music. So I'll probably do another song tonight. That's probably what you listen to right now. The way I record is I don't plan anything. I just push record and I start strumming, and then I build on a riff or a chord pattern, and I just kind of go with the vibe. Can I go down this curb with one hand? Yes. Of course I can. Comes the rain. Alright, gotta hustle now. The rain's coming back, so get some speed up here with one hand and look at my dodgy setup. I've only got front brakes and I'm using my brake hand to hold the phone. Breaking the law, taking a lodge. Anyway, let's get to some cover. Oh, holy shit, I just made it. Oh my God, absolutely hammering down. Looking crazy, man. 10 seconds later, the rain's pretty much stopped and the sun's coming out. It's wild. Yeah, still can't leave. Still stuck here.